So we'll also be looking at basically how we can edit some of these structures available. So quickly, let me draw some few compounds present here. And this is how I want them to be denoted. So for instance, you have things spread out as this. Rather, this, maybe this. I want a lengthy structure up this way. Alright, so for instance now, you have this structure drawn, and you want to change these substituents that are actually here. Now you need to come here to a basic option here. This very one that say a radical label. Now once you click on it, there are varieties of options you will be able to pick from. So therefore you will come to this one here that says pseudo atom. Once you click on the pseudo atom, then come here and remove these bonds as you click on them respectively. Now this is how you can be able to delete these variable options and attach them with subsequent elements available. Let's say I want to make use of sodium at this point, so I will put it up here respectively. So the pseudo atoms helps you to remove the original elements present there, so that you can be able to represent them with either some few radicals that are present. So you will be seeing that much more even as we get into some of the basic problems we encounter during design of chemical compounds present in the Chem-Sketch. So these are some of the things you'll be able to do. So perhaps maybe you still don't want the sodium, you can still get to the pseudo atom, which is here, or just click it from here preferably. You can then remove this and substitute it with the respective elements you may also want. But this time around I may make do with chlorine, and you represent it as thus. So the pseudo atom helps you to remove the initial chemical compound that is present here, so that you can be able to replace it with the right substituent. So thank you, and for following. I'm going to take you further from this point so that we learn how to get more from these structures. Thank you for listening.